You think it's a protest. It's a sponsorship negotiation. Stop scrolling. Your brain is being farmed. They told you kneeling was about civil rights. Please. That's narrative warfare dressed in jersey fabric. And the other tribe, you're screaming about patriotism while your favorite quarterback just signed a $900 million deal. Pick a delusion. Here's the spreadsheet they don't want you to read. Kneeling isn't a prayer. It's demographic velocity. Brands track attention like hedge funds track volatility. When a player drops to one knee, he's not invoking the Constitution. He's triggering algorithmic engagement. Views spike. Merch moves. Contract clauses get rewritten. Oh, so you're mad he's disrespecting the flag? Cute. Meanwhile, the league quietly monetizes the outrage. That's not politics. That's commercial cynicism with a stadium microphone. Force projection isn't just military. It's brand equity. A kneeling athlete holds leverage. They know the sponsor's quarterly earnings depend on your emotional whiplash. You think the sponsors hate it? Wrong, they fund it. The contract writers explicitly tie performance metrics to social sentiment. It's a loop, so the other side says it's corporate co-optation. Skill issue. The players know exactly what they're doing. They're playing the game the owners built. Constitutional loopholes don't matter when you're dealing with commercial speech. The First Amendment protects speech. The sponsorship agreement protects the payout. You're out here writing manifesto-level tweets over a knee bend. Meanwhile, the agent's phone is blowing up with new endorsement offers. Pick up the phone, not the pitchfork. It was never about politics. It was about contracts. Next time you see the knee, don't check your morals. Check the ledger. Comment below if you're still mad about a spreadsheet.